Okay, levothyroxine. Gamot ba to sa thyroid or dun sa bukol? Ano nga ba talaga? Ready na kayo guys? Let's start! Good day again guys, this is Dr. Ivan Godal, your internist and your endocrinologist. Here in this page and in this channel, we try to educate people regarding diabetes, thyroid, and other hormonal diseases. If you're new here guys, welcome, and if you've been here before, thank you again for visiting our page. Okay, shout out lang to kodigo ko, Ma'am Teresa Nepomuceno Jose. So, question po niya tong topic natin for today. Ang question niya daw po ay, ang levothyroxine ba pampatunaw ng bukol or para sa thyroid hormone? Maintenance daw po kasi niya yan. So, thank you again Ma'am Teresa and we'll try to discuss it. Game, explain na natin. Short answer guys, eto gamot po to para sa hormones. Levothyroxine is primarily a hormone replacement therapy. It is designed para mapalitan yung wala na hormone sa inyong katawan. But sometimes, it can be used as a suppression therapy. So, paano yung suppression na to? Binibigay po itong levothyroxine para sana mapaliit yung bukol. Pero remember guys, hindi ito yung main purpose ng levothyroxine. Again, it is used for replacement therapy. And syempre, hindi lahat ng nodules dapat pinibigyan ng levothyroxine. So yes, Ma'am Teresa, for both questions, it can be given para sa hormone therapy and also can be given for suppression of thyroid nodules. So balikan natin yung mga important parts. So what again are thyroid nodules? So ito lang naman po yung mga bukol na nakakapanyo dun sa inyong thyroid. Hingid po sa kaalaman ng lahat, common po yung thyroid nodules. At least 50% ng mga taong 50 and above, meron po nito unknowingly. Kung minsan nakikita lang po sila dun sa thyroid ultrasound. Now, most nodules are benign. Ibig sabihin, hindi naman po delikado. Meaning, hindi naman po siya cancerous. And according to the American Thyroid Association guidelines, 5% lang daw po ang mga nodules na malignant. Ibig sabihin, mababa lang yung chances na delikado ang inyong bukol. The key question with bukol po is, number 1, kailangan ba operahan to? Number 2, i-observe mo lang, wala kang gagawin. Or number 3, yun nga, bibigyan mo ba siya ng pampatunaw or yung levothyroxine? Dito pumapasok yung mga questions ng mga pasyente natin madalas. So ang tanong, kailan ba tayo nagli-levothyroxine? Again guys, primary reason bakit kami as endocrinologist ang bibigay po ng levothyroxine is for replacement therapy. Ibig sabihin, mababa ang inyong thyroid hormones. So ano yung mababang thyroid hormones? Hypothyroidism. And of course, tingnan nyo na lang po yung mga videos nating nagawa dati, marami rin pong causes of hypothyroidism. Siyempre, kailangan lang pong alamin yung mga yun. But in general, levothyroxine is one of the medications na binibigay namin para magamot po itong mga to. Another reason is thyroid surgery. Kapag na-opera na po kayo, syempre wala na inyong thyroid. Be it dahil sa bukol or dahil dun sa cancer, tinanggal na po siya, wala na kayong thyroid. Doon pumapasok again yung levothyroxine as a hormone replacement therapy. Kasi habang wala ka ng thyroid, kailangan isupplement na ng inyong oral intake. Third reason, ba't ka nagbibigay ng levothyroxine? Yun nga, dahil sa bukol. May mga bukol po kasi or thyroid nodules na tinatawag namin TSH responsive. Ibig sabihin, kapag sinupress mo po yung TSH, kung minsan lumiliit yung bukol. Take note, kung minsan. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng bukol nagagamot or napapaliit ng levothyroxine. Kailangan lang alamin ng inyong doktor and of course, with the help of the patient, habang minomonitor ito, habang binibigay yung gamot. Ito yung catch dito. Ang evidence or yung study sa pagbibigay po ng levothyroxine to the nodules, medyo mababa. Mix pa nga kumbaga. Ibig sabihin, some of the studies hindi daw effective, some of them, okay naman daw. Siyempre, discuss na lang po ng doktor ninyo kung ano yung mas maganda para sa sitwasyon ninyo. And fourth reason, bakit ka nagbibigay ng levothyroxine? Kapag yung bukol mo naman nagkakos ng hypothyroidism. So, balik po tayo doon sa first reason. As a replacement therapy. Binibigay yun dahil sa hypo, not necessarily para doon sa bukol mo. So guys, in short, maraming rason kung bakit ka nagbibigay ng levothyroxine. Ano yung kailangan matandaan kapag umiinom ka nito? Okay, important thing to note, most nodules hindi kailangan gamutin. Katulad nga sabi ko kanina, most of them benign, onti lang yung chance na maging malignant sila. Ang sinasabi ng mga guidelines, observe mo lang po yung bukol. Observe meaning ipapa-ultrasound mo every 6 months to 1 year para malaman kung lumalaki ba to or stable lang naman yung size. Tapos dun mo titignan, kailangan mo siyang i-biopsy, observe pa rin, or operahan. And as I've said before, studies are mixed. Hindi lahat ng pagsusuri nagsasabi na dapat magbigay ka ng levothyroxine para palitin mo yung bukol. Again, sa guidelines, hindi nga po ito ina-advocate. Pero syempre, in clinical practice, binibigay po namin tong option na to and with the risk versus the benefit and pag-usapan sa pasyente kung tama ba sa kanya yan. And last but not the least, when it regards to levothyroxine, Just like any hormone or any drug, it can lead to overconsumption. So overconsumption, ibig sabihin maraming nainom mo, masyadong mataas yung dosage, and it can lead to hyperthyroidism. So kailangan bantayan. Dapat may regular check-up po kayo sa inyong doktor kapag umiinom po kayo ng levothyroxine. So guys, what should you do if you have been told to have thyroid nodules? So first, get a proper evaluation. Papacheck up po kayo sa doktor nyo para magpa-check ng blood test, magpa-ultrasound ng leeg para malaman kung delikadong itsura ng bukol or hindi, at malaman kung kailangan bang i-biopsyan or operahan. Second, if magpapacheck up kayo, syempre mas maganda endocrinologist. Isa ako dito sa mga to. Kasi endocrinologist can determine the need for you to have surgery or gamot muna. Walang bias kumbaga. And third, if you have been prescribed levothyroxine, make sure maintindihan mo bakit. Binibigay ba to dahil ikaw ay hypothyroid? Binibigay ba to dahil ikaw ay may bukol? Or binibigay ba to dahil ikaw ay naoperahan na sa inyong thyroid? Kailangan mo lang alamin kung saan ka dito. So, key takeaways guys. Again, levothyroxine is a primary hormone replacement therapy. Binibigay po ito dahil ikaw ay hypothyroid for whatever reason. It is rarely used for nodules, but in reality, binibigay din naman po natin to para masuppress or lumiit yung bukol. Although number 3, most of your nodules don't need any medications. Kasi nga, benign lang po sila, maliliit lang naman, or less chance of you having that kind of malignancy to your bukol. Kung ikaw ay may hypothyroid and may bukol, most likely kailangan mo ng levothyroxine. And of course, always ask an endocrinologist for a proper evaluation. Okay, I think that's it. Remember guys, thyroid health is complex. What works for your friend or family might not work for you. So don't try to self-diagnose or self-treat based on what others are taking. And always ask for your friendly neighborhood endocrinologist. Again, thanks Ma'am Teresa for the question. If you want to know more about thyroid nodules, opera ba or gamot muna, i-post ko na lang po yung link dito sa baba or check mo yung ating mga ibang videos. O ayun guys, this has been Dr. Ivan Codal, your internist and your endocrinologist, signing out.